Before we get into our Math Brains challenges for today, we're going to do a short warm-up. This is a scale. It stays flat when there's an equal amount of weight on both sides. Here, I'm going to put a blue square on one side and 3 green triangles on the other side. If I say that one green triangle weighs 4 grams, then one blue square weighs how many grams? Well, each green triangle is 4 grams, so 4, 4, 4. Altogether, this gives me 12. And because the scale is balanced, I must have the same amount on the other side. Therefore, the blue square must weigh 12 grams. Now you're ready for challenge 1. Here are 2 scales. Both of them are balanced. If I tell you that a green circle weighs 2 grams, then 3 red stars weighs how many grams? The answer is 600 grams. Time to go over how to get that. Well, you know that one blue square is 10 times as much as one green circle, because it takes 10 green circles to balance one green square. A green circle is 2 grams, so 10 times as much as that, 10 times as much as 2 grams, is 20 grams. Therefore, a blue square weighs 20 grams. We can keep going. We see that one red star is equal to 10 times as much as one blue square, because it takes 10 blue squares to balance one red star. Because a blue square is 20 grams, 10 times as much as 20 grams is 200 grams. A red star must weigh 200 grams. Now we wanted to know the weight of 3 red stars, so you could just add together 200 3 times. 200, 400, 600. 3 red stars weigh 600 grams. Challenge 2. Here are 3 scales. All of them are balanced. If one green circle weighs 40 grams, then one purple triangle weighs how many grams? The answer is 4,000 grams. Ready for the explanation? Well, we know the green circles are 40 grams, and it takes 10 green circles to balance one blue star. So a blue star is 10 times as much as a green circle. A green circle is 40 grams, so 10 times as much as 40 grams gives us 400 grams. We can tell a blue star must weigh 400 grams. Now is the tricky part. The scale was balanced when there are 10 blue stars and 10 red squares. Well, if 10 and 10 balance, it means that a star weighs the same amount as a red square. Therefore, we know a red square also weighs 400 grams. Next, we can see that it takes 10 red squares to equal a purple triangle. So one purple triangle is 10 times as much as one red square. 10 times as much as 400 grams is 4,000 grams. So therefore, one purple triangle weighs 4,000 grams. Now on to the final challenge, challenge 3. All 3 of these scales are balanced. If one green circle weighs 2,000 grams, then 4 purple stars weigh how many grams? 4 purple stars weigh 80,000 grams. Here's how to do it. Well, you know that one green circle is 2,000 grams, and 2 green circles is equal to 20 blue squares. That means one green circle is equal to 10 blue squares. So a circle is 10 times as much as a blue square. Well, a circle is 2,000 grams, and we know 2,000 would be 10 times as much as 200. So therefore, the blue square must weigh 200 grams. Now we keep moving. A red triangle is 10 times as much as a blue square, and a blue square is 200 grams. So 10 times as much as 200 is 2,000, meaning a red triangle is 2,000 grams. Now hopefully you realized this means that both a red triangle and a green circle are 2,000 grams. So in our bottom scale, we see that one purple star is equal to 8 green circles and 2 red triangles. But in reality, both circles and triangles are 2,000 grams. So we know what we can say is that 1 purple star is 10 times as much as anything that weighs 2,000 grams. And 10 times as much as 2,000 is 20,000. So the purple star must weigh 20,000 grams. Therefore, if we want to know that 4 purple stars, you just add 20,000 4 times. 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000 grams. And that's all for today. See you next time on Math Brains.